And it is a story Times Now has continuously followed, and now 4,000 crore rupee mining scam kingpin Bastavre has been deported from Jakarta. He has landed as we speak in Hong Kong en route India. We are bringing you exclusive visuals of Anil Bastavre. The man circled there at the Hong Kong airport where he is accompanied by Enforcement Directorate officials. Live and exclusive updates are coming in as the mining scam kingpin is dragged back to India.
Now there is no way out for the mining kingpin. He's on the next flight out to Delhi, and once he lands in Delhi late in the evening today, he will be taken to Ranchi tomorrow probably. There, the Enforcement Directorate Special Court has an arrest warrant pending against him. Big question, will Bastavre be cooperating with the authorities? Will he sing? Will he tell them how the layered system of black money operates and the people who actually looted Government of India of 4,000 crore rupees? With camera person Nitin, Vivek Narayan, Times Now.
How soon do you think that all these cases would be cracked and responsibilities would be fixed by the CBI?
As you know that in course of investigation, we have come to the conclusion that though there are persons who are involved in all of the cases, this kingpin like Binod Sinha and party, and this the persons like Bastavre and this Manoj Punamia, for whom there is an allegation of money laundering and all. These are the persons and some other also are the persons who are involved in all the scams in relation to the Madhu Koda scam. Therefore, we are very much satisfied with the this investigation, the charge sheet and the progress in the trial also.
Actually, in this case, when he comes to India, he will be confronted with Madhu Koda, Binod Sinha and other co-accused. Those who are actually sitting and they have not responded to the investigating agency to the questions framed by those people, to that extent that how much others are also involved and how much he is involved. The moment he comes, then he'll have to say that how much involvement of Madhu Koda is there in Dubai and elsewhere.
Madhu Koda's connections with this Anil Bastavre was so deep that Madhu Koda government invited the company of Bastavre, this Camtech company, as a advisor, development advisor of the Jharkhand government.